Hi people, this is the next installment about the Supralec Toaster I've been repairing and cleaning. And as you can see, the toaster is completely finished and shiny and restored to its full glory. I had a little bit of trouble cleaning the gunk inside of it, but in the end it turned out to be fairly easy to clean it. As you can see on the inside, it's really clean. There are still a few traces of use. I mean, slight oxidation of the metal and all that, but really, aside from the oxidation and perhaps the few scratches here and there, nothing really obvious. The scratches are really minor. The toaster looks really great. It's a very nice toaster and I'm really glad I found it. Cheap bargain, moreover. But it's not about the cheapness or anything like that. It's really about the pleasure of owning a beautiful object. And as you can see, I'm really proud of it too. Also, as you can see, I repaired the original connector. It's a fairly heavily built Bakelite connector. I suppose the connector had to be made this way 50 years or 60 years ago. Perhaps they thought it was a safe type of connector if it was built this way. Anyway, it's intended to be used on a device which consumes, when it's working, about 450 watts. So really, the connector does what it needs to do. It's clean. It works like a charm. And I reused all the parts that were originally built onto it or into it. I also used this old style connector, 220 volts, European style connector. Nothing really special, except perhaps that it doesn't have an earthing hole in it or contact in it, which is a shame really, because all my connectors in the house are legal connectors. That is to say, they have two plug holes for the current and one pin for earthing. And of course, Murphy's Law hit me again, and now I'm stuck with a connector without an earthing hole or connection. So I think I will be on the lookout for a Bakelite connector with earthing, if I can find one. Alright, so that's the end of the Supralec Toaster. It's a very nice thing. I'm really glad to have it, and it took me a lot of cleaning and a little bit of repairing, but really it's nice to have and it's nice to look at. But as I intend to repair a lot of other things aside from toasters, I bought myself something new, and I thought it would be nice to unpack it together with you. So maybe you would enjoy seeing what's coming out of this box as much as I would. So let me put the camera on a tripod so that I can unpack the box.